or just
No,
turning on the car and
just turning it on should be good. I don't think we need to drive it.
right? Just push the button.
Yeah. It's actually it's not turning on. The engine is not turning on. I mean, it's not igniting.
Did you put the brakes on?
It
You have
says
to put your
replace
foot
key
on.
battery.
What is it saying?
Replace key battery.
Acha. Do you have any other key?
No,
Hmm?
no. I mean, car key. This is the only one I see.
Is it not turning on at all?
No, it's not turning on. Yeah, it says don't forget your key. Replace key battery. It looks like the key battery needs to be replaced.
How to replace the key battery?
I'll have to see how to do it. I don't know. This probably,
I know how to move it, but where do we get the key battery from?
yeah, that we can get the key battery, but I don't think it'll start
And key
without
battery
the.
moved
Hmm?
from the manual. You just have to push it. I see it's just like yours only.
I'm pushing it, but nothing is happening.
No, I'm saying to replace the key battery.
Yeah. That should be easy.
I have two car keys. One I had given to you, right?
No, I don't have any of your car keys.
Oh. There is one